Hi, this is Harold, showing you my 55 Chev. I've had it now for 25 years. It didn't look like this when I bought it, however. I worked on this car for a good 10 years off and on, because I worked in a machine shop as General Electric for 40 years, and I left and started my own business next door in my barn. But anyhow, I work on this all the time. I got bucket seats in it. They're out of a Buick Riviera, and they're both powered seats. It's 383 stroker engine, and it's all chromed out. My wife and I have put a lot of money in this car and won a lot of trophies. I got trophies here in the garage, I got them down in the basement, I got them everywhere. But however, I love this car, and I'm going to have to sell it here shortly. I'm getting old and a little wore out. But it's turquoise and cream in color. Everything works on it. And 450 horsepower at the rear wheels. It's been tested. And I chromed everything out on the inside, including the hinges on the hood. And I did some touch-up on it, paint. I had painted it about 20-some years ago. Paint's still great. It's just really smooth. I used a new material on it I found on Facebook. It's called Torque. And it does a good job, excellent job. So I don't know what else to say about it, but I love it. And my wife loved it. And she laughed at me when I put the air conditioner in it. My feet was sticking up in the air in the car on the passenger side, and my head and body was underneath it. And I weighed about 30 more pounds back then. And this little fat boy got underneath it, and I did it.
That's awesome. Have you taken this on trips, any adventures?
Yes, it's been to the Knoxville show. I've been down to the Change of the Past in Gatlinburg. It's not a trailer queen. I would never own one. I drive this everywhere I go as far as the car shows.
I bet when people see you on the highway driving that, they honk at you. And
yes, they give me one of these all the time.
All kinds of attention.
We went down to Gatlinburg years ago. We had our own car show going down the expressway. There was about 30 cars. I belong to the Fastiques car club, the great car club. We're all getting old now, so but I loved showing the car. My wife and I lost her 4 years ago to COVID, but I still show it.
Yeah. Does the car have a name?
No, it does not.
No.
No.
Oh, you might have to think about that.
I never thought about putting a name on it.
Yeah.